What is a regression analysis? A regression analysis is a method for modeling relationships between variables. It makes it possible to infer or predict a variable based on one or more other variables. Let's say you want to find out what influences a person's salary. For example, you could take the highest level of education, the weekly working hours, and the age of a person. You could now investigate whether these three variables have an influence on the salary of a person. The variable we want to infer or predict is called the dependent variable. The variables used for prediction are called independent variables. Okay, great. Now there are different types of regression analysis. There is the simple linear, multiple linear, and logistic regression. In simple linear regression, we use just one independent variable to predict the dependent variable. Multiple linear regression, on the other hand, uses several independent variables to predict or infer the dependent variable. Therefore, the difference between a simple and a multiple regression is that in one case only one independent variable is used and in the other case several. Both have in common that the dependent variable is metric. Metric variables are, for example, the salary of a person, the body size, or the electricity consumption. In contrast, logistic regression is used when you have a categorical dependent variable. Categorical variables are, for example, if a person is at risk of burnout or not, if a person is diseased or not, or type of animal. However, the most common form of logistic regression is the so-called binary logistic regression. In this case, the outcome variable is binary, meaning it has two possible values like yes or no, success or failure, or diseased and not diseased.